Hello, and welcome to my bookkeeping job search course. I am Dr. Majo Jacinto, and I will be your bookkeeping career coach. Are you currently looking for a job or contemplating on a career makeover? Are you curious if you qualify for a bookkeeping job, yet somewhat reluctant as to whether you have the right qualifications and training required for it? Do you have some administrative background and want to know if this experience can be repurposed to a bookkeeping career? Are you a college student, a recent graduate looking for guidance on how your credentials would fit? Do you wonder what are the common job titles that are directly related with bookkeeping? What are the seniority levels, pay scale, and work environment like? What are the top industries that require these services? Do you have the right stuff to be a successful bookkeeper? Or better yet, what is the right stuff that you need to earn and learn to be successful? In this course, I will address all of these questions and learn that with a minimum investment towards time and training, you will earn the functional expertise needed to be successful in your job search and start your career makeover. I also designed an aptitude test, a pre-employment test for bookkeepers and accounting clerks that mirrors what you will see when applying for a job in this field to pre-assess your skills and up your skills and qualifications as necessary before you start the search process. I will offer you an inside perspective of what employers are looking for from candidates and how your resume can stand out among the rest. As a CPA for various industries for more than 15 years, I have hired hundreds of accounting and bookkeeping personnel, and as a college professor, mentored countless accounting students and graduates either land their first accounting job or advance their careers. I'm here to share the same tips and suggestions to see you through successfully landing that dream job of yours. In this quick course, you will learn the right stuff of a bookkeeper must have, assess your skill sets, and together we will create a roadmap and visualize what you can do and mind map your career path so that you can immediately put it to action. See for yourself in my real-life student testimonial sections how my students and graduates have advanced over the years. I want to hear the next success story to be your success story. So, let's get started.